Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering how often you should check your financial health in Empower? Well, let's break it down. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how often to review your budget, net worth, and portfolio on Empower. The first point, daily quick checks. At a glance, your daily spending and budgeting alerts to avoid overspending and catch unusual transactions early. The second point is weekly reviews. You want to review weekly cash flows and net worth updates. Look for trends in income, spendings, and account balances. The third point is monthly deep dive. Now, do a full monthly review of all your accounts, adjust budgets, categorize transactions, and analyze savings versus debt progress. Fourth point is quarterly portfolio review. Check investment allocations, performance, and rebalancing needs just to make sure that your portfolio aligns with your financial goal. Regular reviews is going to help you to stay in control and to make smarter financial decisions. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.